Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fish this exotic fish on in the brine pool. It is called the Spectral Serpent, which I have. I don't know if I sold it or not. This is not it. I think I did sell it. Whatever, it's fine. At least I finished the bestiary, whatever you want to call it. But you're just going to stand here or here. Well, this is where I got it. You're then going to open up your backpack, and I like to use the Rod of the Forgotten Fang with the invincible enchantment. But if you don't have it, you can also use the reinforced rod with the resilient enchantment. So I'm just going to equip it. Then you're just going to fish here for that was a Spectral Serpent. It does take quite a long time, so make sure you're patient for it. And yeah, that's pretty much how I got it. I think I did sell it for some reasons. I don't think I don't think I favored it. That's why I don't have it. But trust me, trust my bestiary that I have completed it, as you can see. But I think I did sell it because I didn't want to be reminded. But anyways, that is how you can fish for the Spectral Serpent in the brine pool. This is the mythical one. Actually, it's not an exotic fish, but this is the area where I got it from. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.